Thank you for coming to Productive Corporation's 2-Minute Tech. Today we're going to take a look at server protection from Sophos Cloud.
Okay, let's look at our Sophos Cloud server protection options. We'll start by going to our service page. Here's a list of servers that currently have the cloud agent deployed. We can also see some additional detail coming from the cloud regarding our servers. We can filter this list by server name here or by server type. Let's go look at one of our servers and see what we have here. Down here we can see the policy that's being applied to that server. We'll look at that in just a bit. Additionally, on this page we can do a manual update of our agent as well as a manual scan. Now over here we have an events tab and an exclusions tab. Our events tab tracks 90 days, the last 90 days of events in this list here. However, I can use this timeline here to view our events list. If we want to look at our list by category instead, we can do that. Here's our categories right here. And for those of you who have compliance efforts, you might find this to be helpful. We can now look at those particular events. And we can also take those events and we can print them out, or we can save them by a CSV or a PDF. Now, let's go look at our policy section. So the policy is how we administer these protections. There is a base policy which is there by default, and it covers all servers. Let's go look and see what's inside of the base policy. So in this policy, I have options for configuring real-time and schedule scanning. There's also two important features here, one being HIPS. HIPS is used to prevent zero-day attacks, and it does that by detecting and blocking behavior known to be malicious and suspicious. We also have live protection down here. Live protection will check suspicious files against the latest malware in the Sophos Labs database. I can also configure my scanning exclusions here, and those exclusions are not just file folder, but they can be processes like task manager processes, website URLs, and PUAs. Another important feature down here called server lockdown. Server lockdown is used to prevent unauthorized applications from running. So back to our summary page of our policies, you can see we've created additional policies here. And that's probably because you don't want to real-time scan mail servers and database servers. So you would treat those differently. So I can create a new policy for each of my servers if I'd like. Each of these policies will provide a summary over here on the right-hand side. And as well in the list, I can see the number of servers that are being administered by those policies. So that's how Sophos Lab protects our servers.
Thank you for coming to Productive Corporation's 2-Minute Tech. If you need additional product information, configuration, or implementation services, please contact us at help@productivecorp.com, 800-726-4099. We are here to help.